Hello everyone, Deb here. I am here with hashtag 52 Weeks of Colorspiration, where every Sunday, Brandy, who is left-handed crafter, and I, and anyone else who would like to play along, and you're welcome to, anyway, on every Sunday, and usually at 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central, but I am a little bit late today, but not too much. Anyway, today is July, 6th, I believe. And so we can color anything except the last week of the month. She and I are coloring the exact same page out of a book we've already pre-selected. And we've gone over that many times before, but this is the beginning of a new month, and I decided to do another color by number page in this Stress Relief Color by Number by Southern Lotus. And it's mostly florals. I think it's all pretty much florals. And I'm going in order, and I only have done, I think I'm going in order. Yes, I've only done this page in the past. In May, I did this one, and I'm doing the next one. And I used the same markers because I had already done color swatching. Now I copied their chart and did it on a piece of paper, and I used a combination of tan mitt and some Crayola tips where I didn't have an appropriate tan mitt color. Little bit weird color combination. When I first started, I was very happy because there was a lot of yellow, and the sun is shining here for a change. The last few days it's been shining. It's going to change pretty quickly here in the next few days, but that's okay. We'll take it when we can get it. And the temperatures haven't been, like 97 or something. 87, yes, not 97. But I've been able to get out and exercise, walk, at least 3 or 4 days this week, which is really good. And that actually is why I'm a little bit late with this. I've been doing house stuff and trying to focus on my health more. So do we have a lot of yellow? Yeah, no, we had more other colors, but there's a lot of yellow, so it's bright and cheery. Some of the colors, like they had this light brown here. I'm like, why would they put brown on a stem? But I did it the way they said because it's color by number. But there's a couple things I need to, how I do these is I just go in order by the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, some of them, the number on the color chart wasn't in here at all, but that's how I did it. And usually it's a little too late. Like I probably would not have chosen the moss green with the apple green. I might have used like a garden green, but that I don't even think is on the color chart. So I might change it up the next time. So anyway, this is the next page. I was originally thinking of doing watercolor, but it's a little more small areas, detail areas. So I don't know, maybe I'll either use these markers again or maybe colored pencil or something. I'm not sure. I don't know if I'll do that next week or if I'll pick something else. I really need to. One of the things we can do is stamp images and color them, and I really need to do that because I'm supposed to be participating as a, um, not as a main member of an open collab, but with Angela and Carol. They're doing Christmas in July, hashtag Christmas in July, and they're doing theirs on Saturdays because they're also calling it the Saturday Morning Makes with, is it Jill Norwood, something like that? Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to do that Saturday morning. That's a tough time for me to get stuff up usually. But anyway, yes, I know I should pre-record. Anyway, I do want to participate in hashtag Christmas in July though, so I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to fit that in, and I don't have any stamped images done. So we shall see. Maybe that'll be what I'll do for next Sunday is some stamped Christmas images. I'm not sure yet. So anything goes on this channel, right? You just never know. All right, I'm going to sign this and then I'll get off of here again. And like I said, it is July 6th. So 2 months after I did the first one in this book. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope we can inspire you to just get out your stamps, your coloring pages, your download pages, whatever you have, and do a little coloring for stress relief. Okay, or just for fun, or both. All right, guys, have a wonderful Sunday, and I hope you have a great week ahead, and I will talk to you again soon. Not sure when, but soon. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.